So now we are going to start a new chapter, interface Python with SQL. Okay, that is we are going to connect Python and MySQL. Okay, so first, why do we need this? What is the use of this? Till now, what we have studied, so Python, you will be able to get input from the user. Okay, your program will execute and you will get the output displayed on the screen. Okay, but next time again when you run, you have to give the input again. Okay, whereas if you want to have the data stored somewhere else and you want to use it for some other purpose, then we can make use of this SQL, and that is database use kar sakte hain. So database is nothing collection of data. So we have already learned MySQL. It is an RDBMS, relational database management system. So now in this chapter we will be learning how we can connect Python with MySQL. Okay, so without even opening MySQL, through Python itself you can create database, you can create table, you can insert values for the table. Okay, you can change all those commands, whatever you have learned in MySQL. It is possible through Python itself. Okay, so Python is called front end and SQL is called backend because in Python we are just getting data from the user. Okay, and the data is getting stored in SQL or MySQL. Okay, so MySQL is called backend and Python is interacting with the user. मतलब क्या type करना है? Okay, what are the values to be entered? You are giving instructions through Python program and you are getting the data from the user. Hence, Python is called front end. And the data you will be creating table, you will be inserting the, suppose for your example, your class students marks. Okay, you are giving name and marks. So all these details will get stored in the table in MySQL. So next time when you want, you can get it from MySQL, the table, but it will get displayed using Python. So Python is known as front end here and MySQL will be back end. Okay. Let us see just some introduction, then I'll show you the programs and it is quite interesting. Okay. Connectivity is actually quite interesting and your project is based on this connectivity. So database plays a vital role in the efficient working of an organization because in any organization database is very important. Means for example any company they will maintain stock. Okay, if you take a flight reservation or train ticket reservation and all, for each and every day they will have the details of what are the trains, how many passengers are traveling, what are the names, what type of berth booked by them. All the details will be there and it cannot be stored in Word or Excel. It will be stored in some kind of database. So DBMS already we have seen database management system. Okay, so it is used to store large amount of data. Okay, so these database systems support SQL. SQL means query, the structured query language which is used to create, access and manipulate data. Okay, SQL is used to access data and also to create and exploit the relationship. That is, you know, all this. We can create data, we can store data, we can change everything. Okay. Now the Python programming language has powerful features for database programming. So Python, suppose there are so many database like MySQL, Oracle, Sybase. So Oracle, MySQL, all those are same type of, okay. Commands will be same, slight changes will be there. But we have learned MySQL. Okay. So Python also supports data definition language. That means I can create database, I can create table using Python. Data manipulation language. I can insert, update, delete all those things. And data query statements. You can use select statements. Okay. So Python supports all these databases. Okay. And this is the story they have given. Uh, what happens when the data is given by the user? It will be in RAM. So next time you have to give the same thing. So that is given here. Okay. So database का backend क्या है? Your MySQL will be the backend and front end Python. This will be important 1 mark. What do you mean by backend? What do you mean by front end? Which can be used as backend or which programming, you know, sorry, which database can be used as backend or which can be used as front end. They'll ask. So backend का example आप लोग लिख सकते हैं MySQL. Front end का example लिख सकते हैं Python according to your syllabus. Okay. So why do we use Python? You all know Python programming is actually very easy, portable. All these things we have already seen. Okay. Python supports SQL. This is very important. Through simple commands of SQL, through Python itself, we can pass. Okay. Now, how to install MySQL connector? So, see this C drive users. You can just give CD command prompt में जाना है. आप लोग ऐसे CD देना है. इधर प्रीति दिया ना, वो प्रीति अरोरा टेक्स्ट बुक का है ये पेज. So आप लोग अपना users देखना है. C drive में users में where it is installed. Okay, your username, your PC username. So that after this command, up till this, you will be typing the command to install Python. But during Python installation, internet is necessary. Okay, so you can give this command. Actually, even you can give pip install mysql hyphen connector. Okay, you try only this. If not, if it is not installing, then you can give like this python -m pip install mysql hyphen connector. Then it will get installed. Okay. So how will you check this? Just you type this import mysql.connector in your PC. If you don't have error, that means it is installed successfully. I'll show you here. Import mysql.connector. No error, that means it is installed properly. Okay.